think I have it. Okay, grade 7. Let's add the decimal places. These are decimal places. I can increase it or decrease it. Few decimal places. I think my cells was already increased, so let me set it back because I already did it. Okay, let me write a number. 30.21. 33.75. Add anything in grade 7. Write any number. 35.8. Okay, write any number. It was increased already. Sorry about that. So write any number. Write any number, yeah, Ruben. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let me resume. Sorry about that. Write any number. Yes. Yes. It give you error. Why I get that error? I will let you share. So I write 33. Wait. Sorry about that. It's already said it. I write like 33.8. Let me go to new cell. Sorry, grade 7. This one was already selected, so let me write in the football. 42.4, 33.6. Write any numbers, grade 7, with decimal places, please. Write any numbers. I want to increase this one. This is increase. Increase decimal places. It give you zeros. Increase it, and I can decrease it from here. You can decrease it like with cancel it. This is 45.7. When I decrease it, it become like 46. So as you can see, it works with mathematic decimal places. Increase it or decrease it. Yes, I will let you share. Share the screen. Yes. So it is math problem. You can ask your math teacher about that. How it become from 45 to 46. When I increase it, it become 45.70. But when I decrease it, it become like 46. Okay. So this is math. How Excel work with math. Yes. It's over here. Ah, merge. Yeah, that's good question. I merge them. I select all of those cells together. Let me select more. And this is merge and center. Merge and center. But you have to select more than one or two cells together. Like I make those one. I make this one. I want to make this one. I highlight them and then I can merge them. I can color them. I can type anything. Double click to start typing. Merge. It's over here, the wrap text. You can centerize it from here. This is the text direction. It's a good question, yeah, grade 7, by the way. These are at alignment. If you are writing Arabic language, you can go left to right. Like you can write anything with Arabic. It depends on the text that you are typing. This is like control the text position in grade 7 on the screen. So I can go top, middle, or bottom, as you like. Right to left, left to right, or center. Yes. Copy? Yes, there is many ways to do copy, by the way. You can copy it from here, or you can do Control C from keyboard, or you can do right click copy. Now I want to paste it. I can go over here and I can paste it. You can do Control C with keyboard and then Control V. Okay, many ways to do copy and paste. Keyboard shortcut, or you can do it from clipboard over here. You can do also cut. Cut it, like it's gone. I want to paste it over here. Can paste it over here. I cut it and I paste it. So I can do cut, copy, and paste. It's very good, grade 7, to ask questions. Good. Who want to share? I think my time is almost over. You want to share with them? Yes, please do it. And it's good to ask question. Merge, format your text, and add decimal places, any kind of decimal places. Now I will let you share.